Hello guys, so this iPad Air 2 which was sent to us by one of our dealers, and touch is not working. They said they tried two non-good screens but still touch is not working. See there? So let's find out. It's a quite common problem with the iPad Air 2. So first of all, what we're gonna do is disconnect the LCD connectors here, and here. Okay, so the common problem with iPad Air 2, the touch inductor coil is here, and usually mostly either I have to disconnect the battery. Either the coil is burnt or maybe a short on the line. So we will check what exactly is the problem with this one and if we can fix it. Okay, and get the multimeter. We'll go a little bit closer here. Okay, and just checking these two caps. Short it. Okay, so now the next thing is we'll go under the microscope, and now we have to find out either it's one of the caps which are shorted or problem with the coil or something else, because there is a diode as well here. Okay, and we can do either two things here: apply some volts and then find which one is faulty. But by the looks of it, let me correct the lighting a little bit for you. Okay, here for me, by just look, I might be wrong, just by looking at it, see there is something came out. No, is it? Or should we just, is it something came out from, yeah, see, it looks like this one is faulty. But we can just, before we go to thermal cam and maybe apply some isopropyl on it, I think this is, let's try our luck. I think this is what causing the problem. Okay, let's just take it out a little bit. So we will apply a little bit of flux here. I'm quite sure this is the one, but if not, we'll see. Okay. So we have got another capacitor here, and looks like during the tinting the diode has moved a little bit, but it should settle down while we are doing this. Okay. Yep. Okay guys, and LCD is installed. It's still not working. Okay, let's maybe fault is somewhere else as well. Okay, we will check it. So we will just remove the screen. Okay, still not fixed. Problem is somewhere else. Okay, let's check for the short again. No, it's not shorted. See, it's not. Okay, let me check it another way. Just with the DC power supply, and no, it's no short here. The next thing I would like to do is to replace the diode. That could be faulty. Okay. So we have got this diode from a donor board. Okay, and just solder it. Just too much air pressure. I want a little bit less blow on this one. I don't want to knock off any other component. Is it done? Yeah, looks like done. Okay, let's cool it down now. So turning it on again after replacing the diode, it could be that touch IC, because that touch IC, it was same, looks like as it was on 6S Plus. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Okay, so yep, do you see? Okay. Working fine. Okay. So that's all done. Thank you very much for watching. If you have got iPad Air 2, remember to go to that area, check those two resistors and maybe the diode. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.